Ayun po, nakakalungkot din talaga, no? Pero, syempre, these are things that are beyond our control. But I know that the DFA has already been on top of it, and so has been our president. Our president has been on top of it. Siya pa nga po ang unang-unang na so far so good. But I think right now, meron po tayong isang victim doon po sa Israel na hindi nakapasok sa bomb shelter at natamaan siya. So, I would like to assure our kakailan, so our president there, na talagang we are also on top of it together with the DFA, kung anong kinakailangan, we will also do our part to be able to help repatriate whoever needs to be repatriated here. So, yun po ang ano. Kasi syempre, nakakalungkot I mean, who wants that kind of war, di ba? Pero talagang ibang klase din po ang pagpangyayari. And we don't understand, but then we also are always, yung welfare po ng ating mga kainan ang importante po.